Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Stay. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your error that says you can't send messages for 3 days on Instagram application. So first of all, you need to open your Instagram, and as you can see my Instagram account is working fine and my messages is working all fine. But for you, if it is showing you can't send messages for 3 days, then you should just wait it out. Then it would be working all normally. But if you haven't done anything, then you should just go to Instagram again and click on that pop-up error, go to your profile, go to these 3 bars that is on top right corner, click on settings and privacy, and scroll down to the very end, click on help, click on report a problem, and click on report a problem again, click on include and continue, and send your screenshot briefly explaining what happened, and the Instagram customer service would contact you. And if it's still not working, then you should check your Wi-Fi connection if it is stable or not. Then you can send your messages again as casually as normal day. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.